Scott Schiller for Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts and Team G503. I don't know if y'all remember a while back when we started these projects, they started this 43 Willys MB. There was a challenge on Facebook there. That was the original hat that we worked on, all the welding, grinding, sanding that we did. That's just getting pretty hammered. It's pretty cool though. Anyway, not here to talk to you about my hat. Got a special video tonight. I want to show you and demonstrate to you the quality wood filler bumper inserts that go on the Ford GPW and the Willys MVs. We make these in the United States of America. They're made out of white oak. I can't stress to you enough how meticulous we are in the building of these. Check them out. I think you'll be impressed. This is a close-up of the wood filler that's installed on the Team G503 1943 Willys MB. And a couple things that I just want to tell you about. These wood inserts were made to strengthen the bumper. However, there's been some talk about, if you have ever towed one of your Jeeps with a tow rope, the manila tow rope, this is quite sharp right here. And I can tell you firsthand that I've towed my CJ2A that does not have this insert. If you notice how that radius is there, that definitely will aid when you wrap a tow rope around the front of that. Let's take a look at the inside here. Now, I used boiled linseed oil on that, and there is a video here in the Team G503 video series on how I did that. It looks good. Now, these would have been oversprayed at the factory. After the fact they were installed, they probably weren't linseed oil. They used other chemicals to preserve them. But the white oak is a fantastic wood for rot prevention. It lasts a long time. Very proud of these bumper inserts at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. Quality made in the USA with top-notch exterior white oak. Show you some ones that are on the bench that are for sale. They look like absolute pieces of furniture, and that's because indeed they are. They're USA made by very talented craftsmen in Oregon. Material selection is of highest quality, and they are made to the exact specifications that would have been for the original bumper inserts from the original drawings. You can see how much effort was put into reproducing these, and they're sitting there on a bumper that's available at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. It was also made from exact specifications, and they're designed to fit the gussets and the slots on these bumpers perfectly. You're not going to find a better reproduction anywhere. I believe these are the best on the market. I think that wood insert is one of the coolest things that's on a Jeep. I don't know. I got something for those wood inserts. Very awesome product, made from the exact drawing, the way it would have been back in the 40s and the early days there, how they made everything quality. Now, you can't get the same treatments that they did back then because they're cancer-causing agents and things like that in there. But that white oak will last you a long time, and you can do linseed oil and other treatments. And of course, when it's done, you get a little overspray on that bumper. Now, that would have been the way it came from the factory. All right, if you like what we're doing to the 1943 Willys MB and you're following along and you're doing the Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts thing on the catalog, you can also, because the subscriptions are getting on this page, it's making me so happy. Click that subscribe button. Click that bell to get notifications when we release new videos. And until next time, get your wood bumper insert, keep it safe, and happy Jeeping.